Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is trigonometric equations. Now here first one, sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta minus cos theta by square root of 1 plus cot square theta minus 2 tan theta into cot theta is equal to minus 1. If here theta must be not equal to pi by 4. Then now a cube minus b cube. Now a minus b sin theta minus cos theta into now sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta minus cos theta by square root of 1 plus cot square theta cosecant square theta minus tan theta into cot theta value 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Now here sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Suppose here theta is equal to pi by 4 means now 0 by 0. Therefore here must be theta not equal to pi by 4. Now sin theta minus cos theta, here this one cancel. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Now 1 plus sin theta into cos theta minus cos theta by, now here square root of cosecant square theta, now mod cosecant theta minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Now here 1 plus sin theta into cos theta minus cos theta into mod sin theta minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here now 1 plus sin theta into cos theta minus cos theta into mod sin theta, now minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. Now here cos theta is common, sin theta minus mod sin theta is equal to 0. Now here cos theta is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 0. Now theta is equal to pi by 2. And here also sin theta minus mod sin theta is equal to 0. Sin theta minus mod sin theta is equal to 0. Now here sin theta must be positive. Sin theta is equal to positive. Sin theta positive means sin theta minus sin theta 0. Sin theta positive first and second quadrant. Now here first quadrant means theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. But here belongs to here theta is equal to pi by 4 belongs to this interval. Theta is equal to pi by 4 belongs to this interval. Therefore here theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 does not exist. Theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 does not exist. Now here theta belongs to pi by 2 comma pi. Therefore now here theta belongs to pi by 2 comma pi. Therefore here pi by 2 belongs to pi. Option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, the general solution of the equation 1 minus sin x plus up to so on minus 1 whole power n into sin power nx plus up to so on infinity, and here also 1 plus sin x plus up to so on sin power nx plus up to so on is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x is. Now here 1 minus sin x plus sin square x minus sin cube x up to so on infinity. And here also 1 plus sin x plus sin square x plus sin cube x up to so on infinity. Okay, now here terms are in GP. In GP, S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Now here LHS 1 by numerator 1 by 1 plus sin x by 1 by 1 minus sin x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x 2 sin square x by 2 cos square x. Now where 2 cancel is equal to now 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x is equal to sin square x by cos square x. By cross multiplication, cos square x into 1 minus sin x is equal to sin square x into 1 plus sin x. Now cos square x 1 minus sin square x. Now 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x is equal to sin square x minus sin square x 1 minus sin x into minus sin square x into 1 plus sin x is equal to 0. Now 1 plus sin x is common. Now 1 plus sin x is common. Now 1 minus sin x whole square minus sin square x is equal to 0. Now 1 plus sin x is equal to 0, or now 1 plus sin square x minus 2 sin x minus sin square x is equal to 0. Now sin square x cancel. Now sin x is equal to minus 1. Now sin x is equal to minus 1, or now sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Now here sin x is equal to minus 1 does not exist. Now sin x is equal to 1 by 2 means sin pi by 6, sin 30 value. Now x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. Therefore, this can be right now here x is equal to minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6 plus n pi for all n belongs to I or z. Now minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6 plus n pi. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, 3 tan theta minus 15 is equal to tan theta plus 15, then theta is equal to for all n belongs to z. Now here let theta plus 15 is equal to a, theta minus 15 is equal to b. Now a plus b is equal to, now a plus b is equal to 2 theta. Now a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Now here 3 into, now theta minus 15, 3 tan b is equal to tan a. Now tan a by tan b is equal to 3. Now tan a by tan b is equal to 3. Now using CD rule, competendo dividendo rule, a by b is equal to c by d. Now a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Now tan A plus tan B by tan A minus tan B is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Now tan A can be write now here sin A by cos A. Now sin A by cos A plus sin B by cos B by sin A by cos A minus sin B by cos B. Now 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now sin A cos B, here LCM cos A cos B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now sin A plus B by sin A minus B is equal to 2. Now here sin A plus B means A plus B 2 theta, sin 2 theta by sin 30 degrees is equal to 2. By cross multiplication, sin 2 theta is equal to now sin 2 theta is equal to 2 into sin 30. Now sin 2 theta is equal to now 2 into sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Now sin 2 theta is equal to 1. Okay, now here sin theta is equal to 1 means general solution theta is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1, general solution theta is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now sin 2 theta is equal to 1. Now 2 theta is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now theta is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 4. Now theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 4 for all n belongs to Z. N pi plus pi by 4. Option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the